Pushing up. Whoa. There we go. All right. Oh. Okay. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it just launched itself back up. Did you see that? It was like nailing the house. I could hear it. And it's still flying. I was holding down on the throttle, but it for some reason was not disarming. Holy smoke. So definitely durable. Holy smokes.
To begin flight, both control sticks down and in.
The home point hit takeoff.
All the propellers will begin. Agreed to bear full responsibility. And then it's just a matter of slight upward pressure. A little interesting acrobatic. Wow. Just did that. I have no idea why I lost signal. It's like the battery came dislodged. Broke the gimbal. Yep. That's great.
But today I'm off to Montreal to buy some climbing gear because I'm going to have to learn how to climb trees. I was shooting a video with the drone, running a program that I always run so it takes the same route, and somehow it hit a tree and landed right at the top of what looks to be like the tallest trees.
We're at 79% power. Let's go for it. So we're going to do a horizontal speed test in normal mode, full stick forward. That was interesting. It pitched forward and then it's limiting its speed, sorry. How fast it can fly forward. Oops, I do want to pick that camera up, don't I? And then we're going to go hard to the left, spin around and come back. Oh, and there goes. It just crashed because it couldn't hold its altitude.
My fault for crashing in the tree, I guess.
Crash.
Happens to the best of us, man.
Happens to the best of us.
Drone's broke. Got it out of the tree. Had a hard landing. That is what I would call past repair. Might have to look at a new drone, which I can't afford.
Can we keep doing the video?
Yeah, we can
Yeah.
keep doing the video. In fact, I can't wait to see how this video turns out. I'm looking
Okay,
forward.
so today we are gonna
In fact, maybe I
revive.
get to see
the
you cry again.
I am
Yeah.
seriously, I'm done with you. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
done. Babe, can you just go and get rid of this guy, please? Just take him somewhere, give him a Snickers bar, and he'll shut up quick. I did crash my drone. Oh, fuck.
De här propellerna gick ju sönder lite grann då. Jättemycket scratches här bak.
Nice vet, by the way. Why don't you do a nice burnout and I'll get it on tape? So he did. But having not planned this, I had to back the drone up to try to get some footage. And I backed it up right into a tree.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.